Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about chemicals and cleaning supplies. Whether you need them at your house or whether you need them at your workshop, these are some of the chemicals or cleaners that are available out there. First, we'll start off with Graffiti Remover. Graffiti Remover is used for exactly what it says, removing graffiti, or you can use it like on your car to remove like overspray, rubber from your bumpers, like overspray, if you got some, or like if you do burnouts, you can get the rubber chunks off of your fenders. Blockade. Blockade is just another brand of Drano. You can use it to unclog your sinks, your toilets. Brillo Pads. Everybody knows what those are for. If it's at a house, you can use it for your dishes. If it's at a workshop, you can use it to clean like wheels on your car, engine parts, anything. If you want to get some mud off of the frame, you can use it for that. Glass cleaner. Glass cleaner is just basically Windex. You can use it to clean your windows at your house. If it's at a workshop, you can clean your windows also. You can clean the windshields on your car. You can use it for any of that kind of stuff. Airlift. Airlift is just an air freshener. You can spray it all over your house if you want. You can spray it in your car to make it smell nice and new. This is what a lot of the dealerships use, guys. When you get into your car and you're like, oh, this used car smells like it's brand new, it's airlift. This Maxim stuff is basically just a sanitizer. Then for your actual hands, you can use hand sanitizer. If you guys need paper towels and toilet paper, that's what all of this stuff is. Trash bags. Everybody needs trash bags, whether it's for your house or for your workshop. Everybody can use trash bags. Extreme Degreaser. Extreme Degreaser is used for cleaning like floors, cleaning engine parts, anything, your stove. It's just an extreme degreaser. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day, everybody.